I can do different expressions. Here's me being surprised. Sad. Here's me being angry. Can I blow you a kiss? This is so terrifying. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Mary. Thank you for being here today. As you can see, I have decided to do the tiny hands makeup challenge and the tiny face makeup challenge all in one video. This was probably the hardest makeup look I have ever had to do. If you can't tell, I'm very bored in quarantine, so I have to do stuff like this to entertain myself. Oh god, what am I doing with my life? If you are new to my channel, hello. My name is Mary. Please make sure you subscribe if you like this video, and I will make sure to do more videos like this one. So today's challenge was to complete this tiny makeup look using nothing but these tiny hands. If you want to see how I did this makeup look today, make sure you keep on watching. It doesn't match my skin at all, even though I painted them.
Mary.
What?
Are you upset that your tiny little baby hands are a slightly different shade than your complexion?
Yeah.
That's the whole point of makeup, is to change your complexion to match
True.
your little baby hands.
Okay. I should probably take out my nose ring because I'm gonna be putting the lips there. This is how I take out my nose ring. Oh. Do I have, okay, yes, they're facing the right way.
Oh, did you do the
Okay.
Home Alone shot? Do the Home Alone shot again. There you go. I'm pretty sure I saw this in a 90s cartoon called Beavis.
Before I start, I'm going to open this can of Diet Coke. Oh! I am gonna use the baby hands every time I want to take a drink though, so that'll be interesting. Mm-hmm! Don't ask me why I decided to do this video. I don't know. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. We're going in with the Beauty Blender. I have some product on the sponge here. My next step is foundation. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I think I'm just gonna use my hands today to spread this foundation all over my face. I feel like it's a little yellow and a little dark. It does not match my neck or the hands at all.
Give yourself a hand. Nice little pat on the back.
Pat on the back. We're gonna go in with Swan now and just give it a little mix. Oh, that's better. Oh yeah. What you want to do is just like really rub it in to your whole face with your hands. This is awful already. If you just like really look up close. And now that we have a good coverage with the foundation, I'm gonna take the Beauty Blender and blend my face together. Okay.
Oh, that's really coming together.
This is already going so well. I always use two hands when I use my Beauty Blender. Cause, yes, this technique. Oh, you know what's working? You just hold your Beauty Blender and then you just, kind of hit your face against it. Okay, I'm gonna use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Just under the eyes. There we go. And blend. I have my concealer all blended. Yeah, I know you can't see it, but there is like so much makeup on my sweatshirt right now from dropping things. To set the concealer, I'm gonna use some Jeffree Star translucent setting powder. Oh, ah! And I am going to use a puff to powder my face.
Oh, those are adorable baby hands. Look at those little baby hands. I didn't know your hands shrunk.
I'm doing my makeup with them. I need a sip of Diet Coke.
Who taught you how to drink? You got it. Hey! Nice. Look at baby hands.
Then for my eyes, I'm gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh yeah. Look at that technique. I'm a makeup artist. Doing this is helping me realize that I take my hands for granted. I think that's enough of that shade. Oh yeah, beautiful. Another good technique is to just like put the brush up to your eye and then shake your head back and forth to get that blend. Okay. Oh. God. It actually doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah, look at that. Thank you, Jesus, for all of the blessings that you have given me. Amen. Now, if you could just make this a little bit easier, I would be really appreciative. Oh no! Oh! I shall persevere. Oh, God. You know what? I'm gonna call that good for that shade. Wipe that away. We're going for some nice sunset vibes here. Please, brush, stay in my hands. Gotta do that inner corner highlight. And don't forget the brow bone. You know, I actually prefer to throw my makeup brushes around while I apply my shade. It just really breaks them in. Okay, I've gotta make sure I do my lower lash line. It just really helps if you hold the brush like as close to the bristles as you can, because you just really want that control. And it's extra exciting because you can't see what you're doing, and then when you take your hand away, you get a nice surprise. Yeah, I'd say that's probably good for eyeshadow. So the next step is liner, and because I like to make my life harder, I'm gonna be doing a wing. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using the Stila liquid liner. Oh God, this is gonna be messy. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. I will be floored if these are anywhere remotely symmetrical. Oh, I just made it so much worse. Let's see if we can clean this up with some concealer. Oh yeah! Oh, that's actually kind of working. I'm gonna take another sip of Diet Coke. What to do next? Lashes. And I am going in with Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I just kind of like to hold it in front of my lashes and then blink down onto it. Okay, while I wait for my eyelashes to dry, I'm gonna do my brows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Oh, I just realized that I have the wrong hands. I was born with my thumbs on the wrong sides. I'm really insecure about it, so don't talk about it. I love not being able to see what I'm doing. I'm really happy that this eyebrow pencil fits into the crevice between my thumb and my index finger. Oh, the tail of that brow is stunning. I think my brows are done. These are the lashes that I'm using. They're by House of Lashes, the iconic Lite eyelashes. Aha, I got it. I think I'm done with my eyes. I'm probably gonna need to get a scarf to cover up this area of my face. That way I can see where the tiny nose is supposed to go and get a little bit better picture of where I'm gonna be putting things. And it's like I wasn't already hot enough and now I have to go and add a scarf to the mix. We're just gonna sketch out where this tiny nose is going to go. That is the most horrifying nose I've ever seen. Oh, I kind of see it though. These tiny hands are making it so hard to get it to be symmetrical. Why am I doing this? I feel like this challenge would be hard enough just doing it with the tiny face or just doing it with the tiny hands, but I just had to go and make it more complicated. I just look like I have dirt on my nose. Okay, we're gonna attempt to fix some of this with some highlight. I'm just using a shade from the Wet n Wild palette. And this is the Wet n Wild palette that I'm using. We are not gonna stop working on this nose until it is perfect. I literally look like I got punched in the face. All right, let's see. Okay, I can kind of see it. It's a little tiny nose. I'm just gonna use a little bit of black eyeliner to really highlight where those nostrils are supposed to be. Oh, that looks terrible. Ew. Maybe some nude eyeliner will help. This is so difficult. I actually think that kind of worked. Oh, yes, yes, perfect. Hey Daniel, you wanna come look at my tiny nose? What do you think?
Oh,
Can you see it?
I can see your nose.
I think I'm ready to do some lips. So I'm gonna use this Colourpop lip liner in the shade Lady.
Lady!
I'm a lady.
She's a lady. Whoa, 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 she's a lady.
Talking about the little lady. Okay, are you ready?
Your eyes are as big as the palm of your hands.
You are correct. For my lip color, I'm gonna be using Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Redrum. This lipstick wand is gonna be going straight up into the nostril.
Oh god. Looks like you have a bloody nose.
Ooh.
There goes the security deposit.
Did you know that this is what you were gonna be signing up for when you married me?
Yeah, what they say. Better or worse.
Is this better or worse? I hate this. I hate it so much. The real question is, what do I do with these hands once I'm done with this video?
I hope you don't have to sneeze. I look like you're spitting.
Should I do a black line on the part where my lips are supposed to meet?
Yes.
I can honestly say I've never put liquid lipstick or eyeliner on my nose until today. Oh yeah. Yeah, that made it look good.
I was saying you did a little distinction.
Yeah,
I know what looks good. Come on,
It looks so real! It's disturbing but beautiful. Okay, so contour like right here. It's so hard to pick things up with these tiny hands. Oh, perfect. And for blush, I'm using this blush by MAC, this shade right here. Ooh. This is Peaches. Can't forget blush. Oh, I feel like she needs a lot of blush. Next, I'm going in with this highlighter by Ofra. This is NikkieTutorials Highlight Glazed Donut. I'm also gonna put some of that on my tiny nose. Oh yeah, I think that'll just help bring the whole look together. Can't forget to highlight above the brow. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna take my headband off and then put my scarf up so we can get the full effect. Are you ready for this?
Mm-hmm. I gotta leave now. That's too weird. You're weirdo.
Oh my god. I can do different expressions. Okay, wait, ready? Here's me being surprised. Here's me being angry. Wait, here's me sad. I also just want to show you guys how these hands look now that I am done, because oh my gosh, as I was doing a video, some of the paint wore off. Oh, it's so nasty. This is from shoving the makeup brushes in between the thumb and the index finger. Well, this has been an adventure. I hope you liked this video. I hope that you were thoroughly entertained. Go ahead and give me a like on this video if you want to see more videos like this, and also comment and let me know what you thought of this wonderful natural makeup look. If you are not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave this page. Anyway, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!